Welcome to Universal Healing Tao, Tai Chi form number 1. Starting with feet together, find your center of balance, relax your hips, relax your shoulders and your neck. Next, we sink our weight to the right, open with the left. Shift over, 50-50. Little bit of weight to the front and then sit down and push out, and I feel the weight in my heels the most. So connect with the heels as you push, and of course the sacrum area has to be open and relaxed for this to work. Push out, relax the wrists, back in, and the hands float down, but before they get all the way down, I'm going to open to the left at 45. Grab the ball, step with the right. Now I don't want to step too far, so I'm off balance, so I only step as far as my leg will go and basically set it down. Once I set it down, I'm going to release the tension in this leg, and that will drive me forward this direction. So I've got the ball, sink down, turn. You see I turn around the ball as well, so my elbows are down. Sink, turn, elbows down, and then a little bit shift your weight forward. I feel more weight in this leg now. From here, we're going to shift our weight back. I'm kind of leading with my low spine. I want to sink down my low spine like this. So when I do that, my elbows are again down and I'm into a defensive posture here. Okay, so from here, shift it forward, shift back, protect the elbow. Next, I'm going to continue to sink down on this leg, and I'm going to deflect to the left side. Once I get to a point where it no longer feels comfortable, I'm going to drop the right arm, swing up the left, connect my wrists, and again turn to the front and shift forward. This posture or structure is classic for all Tai Chi forms. Basically, it's embrace the tree, but turn to one side. So after this yang position, I want to then relax, go to my yin position, which is breaking the grip, sink down, and now after yin comes yang. Shift forward and push up. It's a little bit upward trajectory here. So from wrists connected, shift back. I'm going around a ball and then push up and away. I don't push and lean though. I need to keep my center of balance, so I only shift as much as I can feel very, very rooted. From here, I'm going to shift back, but I leave my hands where they were. I'm going to have all my weight on the left so I can sort of pivot on the right. This is going to swing my arms over. Okay, so from here, shift back, pivot on the right heel, all the way, and then feels too much tension, so then relax that tension and you're going to swing back. Let's go from here, swing to the right, swing to the left, swing back to the right, and I'm going to make a beak, a crane's beak here, and it's going to be right over top of my palm. That's when now my right leg is full, so I'm going to put even more weight in there and go into a cat stance. Okay, this allows me to then sweep the leg across, and then I can transition to single whip. let's try that transition again from double hand push, shift back, pivot on the right heel, sink down, relax here, to then shift back to the right leg, crane beak, open palm right around the dantian. Here's a little tricky part. There's a spiral in here where you spiral down on the right, or you sink down on the right, and your body turns automatically. Your hips will turn so that you can swing the left leg over. Let's see that again. Sinking onto the right, pivot and step with the left, and then relax here and swing the left arm up and relax. Okay, that's about one full sequence, almost one full sequence. We're gonna do this in all 4 directions. Okay, this is sort of a 5-element Tai Chi form. So we're gathering and collecting and playing with energy from all sides. All right, stay tuned for the next one.